Hi, welcome to the Triskell channel. Discover the ready-to-use Triskell PPM READY solution for project portfolio management. Managing projects with spreadsheets and disconnected tools. It's inefficient, risky, and limits your growth. Introducing Triskell PPM READY, the ready-to-use project portfolio management solution that gives you full control from day one. Triskell PPM READY is a pre-configured, cloud-based solution built on best practices for project and portfolio management. It's designed for organizations that need immediate results without the complexity of a custom build. With Triskell PPM READY, you can manage projects, programs, and portfolios in one integrated platform. Prioritize initiatives based on strategic goals and available resources. Monitor budgets, costs, and financial forecasts in real time. Balance resource capacity with project demands. Visualize progress and risks with customizable dashboards and reports. As your needs grow, Triskell grows with you. Start with Triskell Ready for quick portfolio management setup and upgrade to Triskell Adapt if needed, adding new processes, workflows, and features without starting from scratch. Thanks to our powerful no-code platform, you can scale and customize at your own pace. Whether you're managing projects, programs, or entire strategic portfolios, Triskell PPM Ready helps you move faster, stay aligned, and deliver real value to your organization. Take your project and portfolio management to the next level with Triskell PPM Ready. Visit our website to get started today or register for a personalized demo.